Hello traders out there in Traderland, my name's Dez, here at Grok Trade. It's Thursday, May 16th, 2013. And the major indices down today. As expected, we had the S&P down 0.5%, the Dow down 0.28%, NASDAQ down 0.2%. Russell's down 0.3%, banks off by 0.13%. VIX continues higher, up 2% now, over 13. Fear indicator on the increase last few days. Gold take another hit, down 0.4%, but silver, nice little bounce, up 0.87%, with crude oil up about the same, with US dollar down a mere fraction. And we also have transportation index down largely, down 0.80%, and utilities off by about the same. Take a look here at the S&P daily. You'll see this big nice run above all major moving averages and just going higher. But we're stalling out around that 1660 mark. We come back down. We have what's called a bearish Harami. If you don't know what bearish Harami is, go to the website, go to Chart School, look up bearish Harami, and that will give you a definition of it with a picture. So here we are in definite trouble. So chances have significantly increased for a reversal taking place here relatively soon, even rounding out the week tomorrow. And you want to be guarding or hedging yourself. If you haven't heard the website, teachmetehedge.com, check that out. But you want to make sure you're hedged. You want to make sure that you're taken care of here, because things could get nasty. Let me show you the Dow. See, the Dow smacked its head at a major resistance point. Bearish Harami, looking for a reversal. A lot of downside opportunity before we find major support. NASDAQ up. Here we have ourselves kind of a shooting star type formation, come right back down, even kind of a bearish thrusting pattern going into a reversal. This could happen, gang. Russells, we come up here, hit our head at resistance, and sure enough, bearish Harami with a spinning top, looking for a drop going into tomorrow. Now here's the best thing that could happen for all the bulls. Back here on the S&P daily, if we get a bullish day closing out the week, that would be a lateral sideways step. That could be the start of a base. That could help us. However, if we start to make a pivot downward, things in motion tend to stay in motion. Things dropping are in fact dropping. Look forward to some sort of correction in the markets, and again, make sure you are safe bound in that. And we have gold right here. We did have a gap down, but a run up. I think gold could be on the rise here soon at this level, so be watching for buying opportunities on gold. Silver, same thing, a little gap down and then a run up. Another opportunity, I think, for precious metals, but we are in big time danger zone down here in these levels, so you have to buy certainly at your own risk. Google was off by 1.3%, but gap up and a sell off. It's called a dark cloud cover reversal pattern, really bad. If you don't want to see a picture of that and a definition of that, make sure you go to the Chart School at freeonlinetradingeducation.com. That'll show that to you. Apple is actually up 1.34%, gap down and a nice run up right into the 50 and 20 day moving average. That's given us kind of a piercing pattern type reversal pattern. If you're not familiar with that, again, Chart School. But it looks like Apple could give us a buying opportunity. It looks like we are ready for a bounce, and this would be a nice step up, an inverted head and shoulder trend reversal pattern on that. And then Facebook's just kind of bleeding out here, but we do have another support line coming up. It needs to get some legs, and we need to see some bullish activity on that. So anyway, that is it. We are all geared up, and we got a full boat for our mentorship this weekend, and but we're looking for people to join us live. I'd love to have a chance to meet you, and we have a lot of followers from a lot of different countries. If you can come in from other countries, or especially if you're here in the States, just get a little plane ticket over here to Vegas on the 15th to the 17th for our 301 mentorship. Love for you to team up with us. Take care and safe trading to you.
I'm Tim Cole.
I'm Mike Reed.
My name is Randeep Kapoor.
Shane Parker.
Hi, I'm Steve Gould.
Mary Olson.
My name is Spiro Karajanis.
Mike Muller.
My name is Caroline Elizon, and I've been day trading full-time for about 2.5 years.
What did you think of the mentorship?
I am just thrilled with it. I think it's a great program.
It kept me going, kept my brain moving.
In 20 years, I learned this much about trading. I think that this weekend gave me this much to add on it.
This is actually my second time through mentorship, so this is a refresher for me. And I'm picking up nuggets that I missed the first time around, and I feel more confident to use all this information.
It's given me a skill level that's a much, much higher level.
You learn stuff that you will not learn in any other course. I've taken a bunch of different courses. I've never seen this stuff taught before. No one else teaches it. I mean, you've given us such golden nuggets today, or this week. You know, it's well worth taking this class.
It has helped unbelievably. I mean, I can't even explain it. I'm literally at a loss for words right now.
So if there was someone out there who was thinking about joining the mentoring class, kind of on the fence, what would you tell them?
I would definitely say this is something that you need if you're struggling with consistency in your trading results.
You need to have good education, good understanding, otherwise you will get killed in the market.
You can understand why they're doing what they're doing, how to trade successfully, how to make the proper setups, what you're looking for, and how to go from being a newbie to a professional trader in a short period of time.
You're not going to be able, on your own, floundering or just reading books, to be able to sit down and pick the brain of very successful traders and be able to incorporate that into your own trading.
You learn something that you didn't know before, and learning is always good, no matter how old you are.
Mentoring is all about helping you really get your hands on and practice it.
I would tell anybody who's on the fence, it took me 20 years to learn this much. This much. And you know what? Maybe it's really this much, but I'm trying to, tell you that I know a little bit more. And I got this much, out of this weekend. So I think you got to be crazy to want to go through years of heartache to learn stuff that experts can teach you right away.
I've just realized being here how important it is to get some formal education in trading. You get so many things from so many different directions, and to have it all brought together and put in front of you, your toolkit so you can use it, is really invaluable.